Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home looks and feels. Bright spaces feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while darker rooms can feel smaller and less inviting. For homeowners in Rockford looking to increase daylight without major renovations, wide-view slider window installations offer an effective and stylish solution. These windows are designed to maximize glass space, allowing more sunlight to flow into your home throughout the day. Why natural light matters in the home. Sunlight enhances interior spaces by creating warmth and improving overall ambiance. Rooms with ample natural light often feel more spacious and uplifting. Many Rockford homeowners find that brighter living areas improve daily comfort and reduce reliance on artificial lighting during daylight hours. Wide-view slider windows are especially effective because their horizontal design allows for larger glass panels. This increased glass area captures more sunlight and provides expansive outdoor views, transforming how a room feels. How wide-view slider windows increase sunlight. Wide-view slider windows feature slim frames and broad panes of glass that minimize visual obstructions. Unlike traditional windows with thicker frames or divided sections, these sliders focus on openness. The result is a clear, unobstructed window that lets light enter freely. In Rockford homes, wide-view slider windows work particularly well in living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens. These are spaces where natural light enhances everyday activities and creates a more enjoyable environment. Creating brighter, more open living spaces. Installing wide-view slider windows can change the perception of a room. Spaces that once felt enclosed or dim become lighter and more connected to the outdoors. This openness contributes to a more modern and inviting interior design. Rockford homeowners often appreciate how wide-view slider windows complement open floor plans. By allowing light to travel farther into the home, these windows help unify different areas and create a cohesive living experience. Improving comfort without compromising style. More sunlight doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Modern wide-view slider windows are designed to manage heat and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Their construction supports efficient performance while still delivering bright, sun-filled interiors. For Rockford homeowners, this means enjoying natural light without feeling overwhelmed by glare or heat. The balance between comfort and brightness makes wide-view sliders a practical choice for everyday living. Enhancing views and connection to the outdoors. Wide-view slider windows don't just bring in light, they also frame outdoor views beautifully. Whether overlooking a yard, garden, or surrounding landscape, these windows strengthen the visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. This connection adds depth and character to Rockford homes, making rooms feel more dynamic and engaging. Even simple outdoor scenes become part of the home's interior experience. Supporting energy-smart living by increasing daylight, wide-view slider windows can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. This supports energy-conscious living and creates a more efficient home environment. Rockford homeowners often find that maximizing sunlight helps create a more balanced and sustainable living space, combining comfort with thoughtful design choices. A simple upgrade with lasting impact. Wide-view slider window installations offer a straightforward way to improve both the look and feel of your home. They enhance natural light, create open views, and support comfortable living without requiring extensive structural changes. For Rockford homeowners, maximizing sunlight with wide-view slider windows is an investment in daily comfort, modern design, and a brighter home environment that can be enjoyed for years to come.